I am Anvitha Reddy, a second year medical student studying in Kamneni Institute of Medical Sciences. It was a very unique experience at the age of 14 years where I had scattered thoughts on choosing the field of medicine. I got a clear picture on how is the doctor's profession and how the whole hospital functions. On the very first day, we were addressed that this is a platform where you will choose the medicine completely or completely leave a thought of choosing the medicine. We got to see everything in the hospital, like the ICU, the critical care unit, the cancer ward, the equipments, the MRI, the CT, etc. And we had an opportunity to talk to some of the best doctors of Yashoda. They gave us a lot of motivation. It is their motivation which helped me take a step forward in this profession. As an aspirant, I've chosen Young Doctors Camp with confusion in my mind, but came out with a clear thought of taking the doctor's profession. Now I would like to specialize in this profession and contribute to the growing field of medicine. Thank you, Yashoda, for this wonderful opportunity.